Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So I am at 9.2. This is what is given in 7th tree, okay? Log k base 1 plus x is equal to 2. Oh, here we have divided by log kx, right? I guess I forgot to write this. Log k base x. Okay, so this is what is given, and this is what is we are required to prove. So let us see how we can do that. At first, we can do cross multiplication, right? So log k base 1 plus x is equal to 2 log k base x. Okay. Log k base 1 plus x is equal to log k base x square. So from both sides, if we cancel log k, then it will be 1 plus x is equal to x square. And if I shift all the terms to the right hand side, it will be 0 is equal to x square minus x minus 1. Okay. Now we have to find a value of x, right? So can you do middle term factor from here? Try. I will give you 30-second time. কেউ করতে পারছো? এটা দিয়ে আসলে মিডল টার্ম ফ্যাক্টর হয় না, ওকে? সবাই আসলে বেডের মধ্যে ঘুমের কন্ডিশনে কিভাবে ট্রাই করবে না, এটা একটা বিষয় আছে। ওকে, সো এটা যেহেতু মিডল টার্ম ফ্যাক্টর হয় না, তো এই ধরনের ইকুয়েশন সলভ করার জন্য আমরা একটা সলিউশন বা একটা পদ্ধতি জানি, যেটা আমরা ইকুয়েশন চ্যাপ্টারে 5.1 এক্সারসাইজের মধ্যে করছিলাম। সেটা হচ্ছে x is equal to minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Okay, so here there is two possible values, but we will be taking only the positive value here. We will take only plus. Now, what is the reason of taking plus? Because you can see that we have log k base x here, right? And the log of negative value is actually undefined. So here it is clear that x cannot be negative. So that is why we will avoid this negative value. We will consider only the positive value. So let us see if we can get that. Now, before we apply that, we have to know what is the value of a, b, c, right? So we know that the equation looks like this: x square plus bx plus c. We can compare with this. So whatever we have with x square, that is 1. So the value of a is 1. Whatever we have with b, with x, that is the value of b. Can you tell me what is the value of b from here?
-1.
Minus 1. Very good. Many people will think that it is only 1. No, it is not 1. It is -1. Okay. So please be very careful. And c, this is also -1. So we will just put the value. So minus b means minus 1 plus root over b square. B square is -1 square minus 4 into ac. A is 1 and c is 1. So divided by 2 into a, that is 1. So from here what we get, x is equal to minus minus, it will become plus root over 1 minus 4. Now this is also an impossible solution, right? X is equal to 1 plus root over -3 divided by 2. In root over, we know that negative number is not possible, correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so then what we can do? It's clear that we have to take a different approach now. We cannot do middle term factor. We cannot, solve it in this way. Hmm? Is it correct?
Sir.
মিস্টেক, তোমরা কোনো মিস্টেক দেখো না? আমি
Sir,
আসলে
-1 C এর value.
তো এটা এতক্ষণ পরে বলতেছো, আমি এখানে বলতেছি যে এভাবে হবে না, অঙ্ক করে ফেলতেছি, তোমরা কেউ আমাকে কিছু বলতেছো না, ওয়াই? এই যে সি এর ভ্যালু এখানে -1 হবে, তাইলে এখানে মাইনাস মাইনাস it will be +4, then it will be 5. So x is equal to 1 plus root 5 divided by 2. We have our answer. Anybody has any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. So left hand side equal to right hand side, showed or proved, whatever you have told us, you can write it. খালি অল্প কয়েকজন জেগে জেগে আসো মনে হয় ক্লাস করতেছো, বাকিরা সবাই জয়েন করে ঘুম। Number 8. Take a look at the question number 8. Okay. So number 8, what is given? X into y plus z minus x. Divided by log k plus x. Y into z plus x minus y. Can you see the writing on the board clearly?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
From here, what we have to prove? X to the power y, y to the power x. X to the power y to the power x is equal to y to the power z, z to the power y. The next one we can guess z to the power x into x to the power z. It হবে না? Okay, so how we can do this? You know that whenever we have situation like this, we consider it equal to k, but we already have k here, log k base, right? So we have to consider something else. Okay, so let us consider it p. So from the first one, if I write it equal to p, then what I will get? X into y plus z minus x divided by log k base x is equal to p. So if I cross multiply, log k base x will be y plus z minus x is equal to log k base x, right? You know, they will change their place. Okay. So now, if you take a look at what we have to prove, x to the power y and y to the power x, right? Okay. So inshallah, we will come to that. Let us consider this one as equation 1. And then again, from the second part, what we can get? And similarly, okay, we can write similarly. Similarly, we can get y into z plus x minus y into z plus x minus y is equal to, oh sorry, divided by p equal to, here we have log k base y, so we will write log k base y. This one is considered as equation 2. And then from the third one, we will get z into x plus y minus z divided by p is equal to log k base z. Okay, so this is considered as equation 3. Now we can deal with equation 1 and 2 first. Okay, this is a little bit lengthy problem, but if you keep your head cool, then proceed. Inshallah, it will be okay. So you can see that log k base x from equation 1, from equation 1, what we get, we have to multiply both sides by y. Why I will multiply by y? Because x to the power y I have, right? So let us write it in this way, that y into equation 1. Okay, so if I multiply y with this one, then what I will get? Y log k base x, right? See, now this y will go as power x to the power y. That is the advantage. So it will be equal to, y has to be multiplied in this side also. So I will write xy. Okay, so it will be xy into y plus z minus x divided by p. Okay, so here also I have multiplied y. Okay, so it will be log k base x to the power y equal to x y y plus z minus x. I think we can do it in a better way. Let me bring this y to the power x also. We can do that from equation 2. If I multiply equation 2 with x, see, if I multiply x here, this x will go as power y to the power x, y to the power x. Then we will add, then it will be multiplied. Okay, so x into log k base y is equal to, here it will be y we have, we will multiply x. So it will be xy into z plus x minus y. Z plus x minus y divided by p. So what we can do, we can add now. Okay. So if we add, then what we will get? Y log k base x, y log k base x plus x log k base y. It will be equal to, you see, when we add them, p and xy, they can be taken common, right? So in ভিতরের জিনিসগুলোকে add করে দিলেই হবে. So y plus z minus x plus z plus x minus y. Z plus x minus y. Okay. So from here we can write log k base x to the power y plus log k base y to the power x is equal to xy into y and y is getting cancelled, right? And x is getting cancelled. So we have only 2z. So we can write it 2xyz. xy into 2z. So 2xyz. Okay. So as we have plus here, we can write log k base x to the power y into y to the power x is equal to 2xyz divided by p. Okay. Then what we can write next? তো এখানেই দেখাতে পারলে ভালো। আচ্ছা যাই হোক, let's try. Then এরকম সিচুয়েশনে আমরা কি লিখি, যে একটা ফর্মুলা ছিল না, লগ মনে আছে তোমাদের, এই যে x base b is equal to 2. If we have something like this, then what we write? X to the power 2 is equal to b. X to the power, sorry, x to the power 2 is equal to b. So in that way, we start from the base. So So if we start from the base, then what I can write? K to the power this one, what we have on the right hand side, k to the power 2x, y, z divided by p is equal to this x to the power y into y to the power x. Right? So we have found a value for x to the power y and y to the power x. In the similar manner, you can find the value of y to the power z and z to the power y. For that, you have to use equation 2 and 3. Okay, so you have to repeat this process, this side only. Okay, so Maya, please confirm whether you understood or not. Now you will take equation 2 and you will multiply it with z, because if you are trying to prove this part, then you have to get the value power of y as z. So you have y here. If you multiply z on both the sides, that z will go as power, right? So then you can add it up again. I believe that you will get the value of y to the power z and z to the power y. This one, this same value will come. Then again, if you deal with the first and third, see, at first we took 1 and 2. We got the value of the first one. If I take equation 2 and 3, inshallah, I will get the value of second one. And if I take equation 1 and 3 now, then I will get the value of the third one. And all of these values should be equal to k to the power 2xyz divided by p. So if all of them are equal to the same thing, then they are equal to each other. So I want to know whether would you like to try to find the value of the last two yourself? Okay, just in the similar process. This is the process. Okay, from 2 and 3, instead of 1 and 2, you will take 2 and 3. Then you will add it up. Just the similar process you will follow. Okay, so Maya, try, and if there is any problem, then tell me before next class, inshallah. No problem, I will try again. Okay. Sumaya, asa naki nai? আচ্ছা, ওকে, anyway, যারা যারা আসো তারা তারা প্লিজ একটু করিও এটা বাসা. What else I can tell you? Okay, so I think we have done তোমাদের এগুলা ছাড়া তো আর কেউ ডাউট বলো না. So next class inshallah we will be doing graph. Okay, so keep the graphs with you. আজকে গ্রাফ করবো ভাবছিলাম, but আজকে we don't have enough time now to do the graphs. Okay, so inshallah in the following class we will be doing. Maybe we can start with a simple one. Let me check. We will be needing time to explain so many things. Okay, no problem. Inshallah, in the following class, we will be doing the graph. Okay. So if there is any doubt, you may ask question based on what we discussed today.
Sir, in equation 2, we will multiply it with z.
When you are dealing with this second part, see, if you are finding, so many rejoin করতেছি. Okay, so তুমি যদি y to the power z and z to the power y এটার ভ্যালু বের করতে চাও, এই মিডল পার্ট, খেয়াল করো তোমার y আর z এখানে আছে, তাই না? তার মানে তুমি ইকুয়েশন 2 আর 3 নিবা। তো ইকুয়েশন 2 আর 3 এর সাথে কি কি মাল্টিপ্লাই করবা? তো ইকুয়েশন 2 তে y আছে, এটার উপরে পাওয়ার লাগবে z। তো তাইলে তুমি কি করবে? ইকুয়েশন 2 তে z মাল্টিপ্লাই করবা, সো দ্যাট z টা এখানে y এর উপরে পাওয়ার হিসেবে চলে যায়। সেই প্রত্যেকটা জিনিস লজিক্যালি আসে, কিছু মুখস্থ করতে হচ্ছে না। দেন z এর উপরে পাওয়ার এখানে কি আসে? y। তার মানে ইকুয়েশন 3 এর সাথে তোমার y মাল্টিপ্লাই করতে হবে, সো দ্যাট z এর উপরে পাওয়ার y আসে। এই যে এই পাওয়ারটা উপরে চলে যায় না, তো এখানে y টু দি পাওয়ার z, z টু দি পাওয়ার y, দেন এইভাবে তুমি আবার ওটার ভ্যালু বের করে ফেললা। বুঝতে পারছো?
Ji, sir.
Okay. So try and let me know if you have any doubt. Okay. Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.